Hey guys, it's Roxanne West from Bourgeois Bliss blog, and today in my kitchen we are sharing the almond cow again. But this time with a strawberry milk recipe made out of almonds, vanilla, strawberries, and a little bit of maple syrup. This is a yummy recipe that the kids can enjoy with you. You can use it for smoothies, or you can even put it in your cereal. So let's get started. Just like last time, you are going to disconnect the sieve from the top. Sorry, I meant to keep it in that little dish. There we go. We'll put that there for now. And what we're gonna do is we are going to pour in our strawberries. They smell delicious. And we are going to add our almonds. There we go. These almonds have actually been soaking in water overnight, which will make it even easier to work with, but you could just let them soak for 4 hours if you're running low on time. So what we're gonna do here, just like last time, we're going to squish that together like that, turn it and lock, and we'll sit this in here while we add the water. Okay, take off the plug. I'm just gonna fill it. We're gonna add a splash of organic vanilla right in there. We're gonna add some maple syrup in there. There we go. We will transfer this back here. Connect it. We'll plug this into the outlet. Just like in my last video, I like to wait to plug it in, especially when you're working with little hands in the kitchen like I often do with my kids. And we're gonna push this button, and in 30 seconds, we're gonna have a strawberry almond milk that is so delicious. And now it's done. Grabbed a couple of pink glasses. So I'm going to disconnect it, and we'll take out the top. There we go. Stick this in here. All of that yummy pulp is in there. Okay guys, it smells really yummy. Whoa! Try it out. I haven't had strawberry milk since I was a kid, and I don't drink dairy, so this is so nostalgic because it tastes delicious. I can't wait to let my kids try it. Now we want to show you guys how easy it is to clean this almond cow up. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rinse this out. As long as you clean it right away, it's super simple. Just give it a nice rinse. You're going to lay that one to dry. Next, we're going to separate this. There we go. I'm gonna sit this down here. Look at all of that pulp in there, guys. So that's all almond pulp with a nice strawberry flavoring to it. You could use that in a smoothie for extra fiber, or you could bake with it. There we go. So I'm gonna set that aside. Put it in a nice glass container for now. There you go. All you have to do is rinse this right here. So I'm going to use the sprayer for this one. Just go like that. Let it dry. This guy just takes the rinse too. And that's how easy it is to clean up your almond cow appliance. Thanks for watching our video today, guys, and making some almond strawberry milk with us. I hope you like the recipe. If you do decide to make it or share it with the family, please let us know what you think, and do try out the almond cow appliance if you can. I do have a special code for you. With the code Roxanne, ROXANNE, you can get $15 off an almond cow appliance of your own, and it includes free shipping to Canada or anywhere in the United States.